Hi, welcome back to the CapCut desktop tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will learn how to arrange photos or videos in the timeline and also explore important tools that can make your editing process easier. These are essential features that every editor should understand. All right, let's get started. On the left side of the timeline, there are several tools used to manage media within each layer. 1. Lock Track. The Lock Track feature allows you to lock all media in a layer, so it cannot be edited or moved. 2. Hide Track. The Hide Track option lets you hide the media in that layer without deleting it. 3. Mute. The mute function is used to silence the audio from media in that layer. 4. Track Setting. In the Track Settings section, you can find options like Track Height, adjust the height of the layer. Audio Waveform Size, adjust the audio waveform display. You can also manually adjust the track height by dragging the bottom edge of the layer. Now let's move to the top section of the timeline, where more useful tools are available. Zoom in and zoom out. This feature allows you to zoom in or out of the timeline view. Preview Axis. When enabled, the player will show the position based on your cursor on the timeline. Linkage. When linkage is enabled, media above the main clip will be automatically linked together. Auto Snapping. This feature shows guidelines that help you align media more precisely. Main Track Magnet. When enabled, clips on the main track will automatically snap to the end of the previous clip, preventing gaps. Freeze. The freeze function allows you to capture a frame from a video, like taking a screenshot. Reverse. This feature lets you play the video in reverse. Mirror. The mirror tool flips your media horizontally. Rotate. The rotate tool allows you to rotate your media by 90 degrees. All right, everyone. That's how you manage media positioning and use important timeline tools in CapCut Desktop. In the next video, we will dive deeper into timeline editing and basic editing techniques. So make sure you follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.